this video, I'm going to show you a new feature that's been released through Google that you can use on your Google Sheets. It's called Conditional Notifications. So in the past, you probably have set up a notification when a change is made anywhere on a spreadsheet, but this will give you specifics to where you can select certain columns or cells that you want to be notified if there's any changes. So I'm going to select a column, go to the Tools menu, and come down to the fourth selection, Conditional Notifications. It opens a window on the side, so you're going to click Add Rule, and because I've already got it selected, it's got the column already done. If the cell value changes, you don't have to give it a rule name, but you can if you want to. So if there's any change made in the checked in column, then I want an email sent, and I can manually type in an email, or if I had a column that had the emails in it, I could choose the column with the emails, but I'm just going to manually type in my email and click Save. And then anytime that there's a change made to this column, I will get an email.